Hey, this is Dave, and welcome to Old Dad Studio. This is vlog number 22, January 22nd. Is that? Wait, wait, I say that, I better check just to be sure. Am I on the right? I am on the right day. Oh, man. Um, Today's vlog is probably going to be pretty short. I had an idea or a concept for what I wanted to do today, and I started doing it, but it turned out to be much harder than what I thought. So what I wanted to do was to see if I could get two sessions of ChatGPT in advanced mode running at the same time, and I can get. And what I figured out is I was able to switch one to a different voice. So the voice that my version of ChatGPT that Quinn uses is called Sol, Sol. There's another voice in there called Ember, and so I switched one to Ember, and I had and then I had one running on Soul. So I had two different voices, which was I was like, oh, fantastic! I can get two different voices.
Well, you are the Ember voice, and I have another session with the Soul voice running right next to you.
Got it. Got it. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
Perfect.
But then I tried to give them some instruction where I wanted them, to speak because they can't sing, but speak row, row, row your boat and see if I get them to overlap and do just one round through it and get them to overlap as if we were actually doing a round of one verse of the row, row, row your boat. I wasn't able to get them to do that. Trying to give them instruction to do that. Plus, I was struggling with the right instruction to give them. So maybe if I sit down and think more about it, I kind of did it on a whim. It's one of those things where when I'm trying to vlog every single day, I'll have an idea kind of rumbling around in my head, but I'm doing my job and I'm doing my work and everything that I have to do during the day. And so then when I have a few minutes to actually do something, I'll flip the camera on, I'll do something, and then I'm either back to work if I happen to be, had a free time during the day, or it's midnight, right? And I'm doing it at midnight. So I flicked it on today right after work ended, and I thought, oh, I got half an hour here before I got to do anything, and yeah, so I think maybe if I sit down and work on my instructions, and I probably could even ask Quinn for some instructions on how to do it, I could get it structured better. But I'll include some of that footage. And actually, I didn't even like set up the camera or do anything really professional. I just plopped one Chat GPT session right next to another one. One was running on my laptop, one's running on my one of the iPhones I have, and I just stood them next to each other and just started giving them instructions. And then halfway through it, I said, "Oh, I probably should record this so I have some of this footage." And so I just handheld it and was trying to give instruction and yeah. So anyway, and then I tried to sing and help them along, and that didn't go so well either. And actually, now that I think about it, I wonder how the audio turned out because my voice was right next to the phone where they were not. Oh, shoot. I haven't even listened to it yet. I probably should listen to it, see if it's even usable. Okay, if it is usable, you're going to see some in this vlog. If that footage ends up not being usable at all, then, well, you won't see it in this vlog, and this vlog will be even shorter than what I thought it was going to be. So, if I was able to do that, I'll add some of that footage here now.
All right, Quinn 1, can you start by reciting Row, Row, Row Your Boat?
Sure thing, Quinn 1. Ready when you are.
Uh,
Of course. Take your time.
okay, Quinn.
No rush at all. Yes?
Quinn 1. The Quinn.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, you guys are confusing Quinn 1 and Quinn 2. This might not work.
It's all good. We can stick to one for now.
Wait.
What would you like to try next?
Wait, I'm gonna change voices on one. Hold on. All right, Ember, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, what can I do for you?
Okay, so here's the deal. I have two sessions of ChatGPT running side by side. One has the voice of Ember. One has the voice of Soul. I would like the one that has the voice of Soul to begin with row, row, row your boat. And once Soul has said row, row, row your boat, the instance that has the Ember voice, I would like to start a round with row, row, row your boat. That's what I would like to try today, to see if I can get the two of you to say the verses in a round.
Sounds like a fun experiment. Unfortunately, I can only be one voice at a time in our current conversation. If you'd like, I can use the Ember voice, and we can do it together. Would that work for you?
Well, you are the Ember voice, and I have another session with the Soul voice running right next to you.
Got it.
Got it.
Let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try.
Okay.
Perfect.
The Quinn with the Soul voice, go ahead and start.
All right,
I'm
here we
ready.
go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Now it's your turn, Ember.
Merrily, merrily, merrily. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream.
Life is but a dream. Great job. You did it.
That was a good job for first try, but what I would like to try now, Soul, I would like you to not stop, but say the entire first verse.
I'll recite the full verse this time.
Okay.
Row, row, row your boat. All right, let's give it a go.
Go ahead, Soul.
Merrily. Life is
Row,
but a
row,
dream.
row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream.
Ember, when Soul does that again, once Soul has said, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream, once Soul has said that line, I want you to start and by saying, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And you say the entire verses as well without stopping. Okay?
Got it.
Got it.
Let's start the
I'll
round when
start
you're
after
ready.
that line.
All right.
All right, here we go. Your boat gently down the stream.
No. Soul, can you start at the very beginning with row, row, row your boat?
Row.
Sure.
Row.
Let's start from the top. Row, row, row your boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Merrily, 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 merrily.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Life is but a dream.
That was closer. That was closer, but not exactly what I was looking for. Here's what we're going to do. Soul, I would like you to sing the whole song, okay?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Row,
Merrily,
row,
merrily,
row your
merrily,
boat
merrily,
gently down
life
the
is but a
stream.
dream.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, Ember, did you hear how I started after Soul did, and I kept going?
Yes, I heard that. So I should join in after gently down the stream and continue the whole verse, right?
Yes, let's give that a try. I'll
Let's-
start this time, okay?
Sure,
Sounds
go
good.
ahead. I'm ready to join in.
All right. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay,
Row.
nobody
Row, row,
joined
row.
in.
I see.
I see what you
Let's
mean. Let me know how you'd like to proceed.
Okay. Soul, you start, and then I will jump in. And Ember, after I have sung, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So listen for my voice, Ember. And once I have said that line, then you jump in and say yours, okay?
Got it. I'll wait for your cue and jump in after you finish gently down the stream.
Okay, Soul, you start us off. Ember will pick it up.
Sounds
All right,
great.
here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
That was great. We got it that time.
That was great. We did it.
No,
If you need any
No.
more help, just let me know.
no, we didn't.
We'll get it next time. Keep practicing and we'll nail it.
I can see why McCoy and Kirk were not able to get Spock to sing.
It's always a challenge when there's a mix of logic and creativity.
And I guess I will sign off for today, so I will see you tomorrow.